client really liked it, and so it's really something kind of interesting I think I stumbled upon. And yeah, so I'll let you know about that. If anybody needs a commercial made, I do 1.5 to 2.5 minute commercials. Um, I could use stills, I could use video. I I can use stock photos, I use premium stock photos, so anything you want. I could use your own custom photos, your own custom videos. I could trim your videos and slice them up and put them in there and add the narration and the music and your, call to, action, your logo, whatever you want. But yeah, so that's a project, a new project